my boss wanted you to, like, bring up cats so that I could introduce Buffy to the videos.
Bring up cats. Well, first of all, the cat's name is Buffy.
Yeah.
I have issues with the male cat being named. You know I do.
I do, too, but I figured I'd pay respects to his last owner.
Fair enough. But, like, maybe you should call him, like, Buff. What up, Buff?
I call him Buffers.
Oh, no.
Buffalicious.
No, next you'll be drinking, like, what is it, pumpkin spice lattes and wearing Uggs. Kennedy, no. Buffers. Come here, Mr. Whiskers.
I'm not that white trash.
It's not white trash. It's just very Caucasian. You're like 50%, Mom. That's funny. Yeah. Something's coming to mind. I love you.
I love you too.
And we'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.